In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and import a custom HTML email template in your browser workspace. To get started, open your browser workspace and head to the main navigation area. From there, go into the content section and then select email templates. This is the area where your existing templates are stored and where you can build new ones for future campaigns. Taking a moment to make sure you're in the correct section will help prevent confusion, especially if your workspace includes several content tools. Once you're inside the email templates dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Create Template action button. Go ahead and click that to begin setting up a new email template. This opens the template creation flow and gives you a few different ways to build your email, depending on how you want to work. In this case, you'll want to choose the Code Your Own Development tab option. This is the right choice when you already have a custom email design prepared in HTML and you want to bring that code directly into the platform instead of using a drag and drop editor. If you're working from a pre-built layout created outside the system, this option gives you the flexibility you need. After that, choose Import HTML from the available design methodology layout selections. This tells the platform that you're uploading an existing HTML file rather than starting from scratch. It's a straightforward way to preserve your custom formatting and structure as long as your file is already prepared the way you want it. Next, you'll need to name your email theme structure. Pick a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates for different campaigns or departments. A descriptive title can save time when you return to update or reuse the template in the future. Then upload your raw layout HTML asset file. Make sure you're selecting the correct .html file from your computer, since this is the file the system will use to build the template. If your design has already been finalized, this step should be quick and simple. Once everything looks right, click Save. That will store your imported HTML template in the Email Templates area, making it available for future use. After saving, it's always a good idea to review the template inside the platform